The massage ball forearm exercise relieves muscle tightness, reduces tension, and improves circulation to help with recovery and flexibility in the forearm muscles. You can do this on a bench or directly on the floor. Here's how to do it correctly. While kneeling on the floor, rest your forearm on a bench. You can also do this standing with your forearm on a sturdy table or lie flat on your stomach and use the floor. Position the massage ball on the forearm, focusing on the muscle belly, which runs from the elbow to the wrist. You can target both the flexor muscles on the inner side of the forearm and the extensor muscles on the outer side of the forearm. Gently press the massage ball against your forearm muscle using your body weight, or to apply more pressure, use your other hand to press down on your forearm. Adjust the pressure to a firm but comfortable level. Slowly roll the massage ball up and down the length of the forearm from just below the elbow to just above the wrist. Spend about 30 seconds to 1 minute on each forearm. Focus on any tight or sore spots by pausing on these areas to apply more pressure if it feels good. Perform circular motions to help release tension but avoid causing sharp pain. Adjust the massage ball's position to target different parts of the forearm. You can also rotate your wrist or move your arm to explore different angles. Repeat the same steps on your other forearm. Subscribe to get a new exercise video demo every day.